Hi, this is Steve with Xennsoft, and in this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of how to use WordPress to configure and brand the front end of your website. So let me go ahead and walk you through that, give you some details on how that's done, and then in the next several set of videos we'll be walking through some very specific instructions on how to make those changes. So first of all, we'll log in. Okay, I'll go ahead and put my username in here, and it looks like it has my password from last time. So here I am on my dashboard, and down at the bottom I have the option of either live or beta. And beta is great for just playing around. It's kind of a sandbox environment where you can make changes and adjustments and just kind of learn how things work. So that'd be a great place to start. I'm going to click on my live Repsite here, and this is going to take me directly to WordPress. Okay, so this is the dashboard for WordPress. This is the content management tool for the front end of your website. So let's first take a look at the website, and then I'm going to come back to this page. And you can get to your website by hovering over your name up in the left-hand corner and dropping down to Visit Site. So here we are on the front end of our website. So this is what customers are going to see and potential distributors are going to see when they log into the company corporate website or to a distributor's website. When a distributor logs into their own website, that's going to take them to the back office or the team office where they're going to be able to view their commission, their downline, products, all of that sort of thing. And that's controlled 100% by Worldview. So it's very important not to get confused between Worldview and WordPress. WordPress is used to change the look, feel, and layout of the front end of your website, which is what we're looking at right now. So you actually may have your logo up here where it says modern. If you haven't uploaded your logo already or you want to adjust it, I'm going to show you how to do that in one of the upcoming videos. And then we have several tabs here along the top: home, product, shop, opportunity. You're going to probably want to change these, maybe put them in different order. You'll be able to do that through WordPress as well. Then we have what's called a slider. That's this image here that you see changing. And this is called a layer slider, where there's actually several layers on top of each other creating this entire image. And it's currently set to slide back and forth between these two different images here. So I'm also going to walk you through step by step how to make changes to this slider if you'd like to keep it. Of course, you can completely delete the slider and add some different kind of content, whatever you'd like to do. Below here we have 3 different static blocks. That's what these are referred to. And I'm going to show you how you can also change that, modify it, take it out, basically make this website your own. So WordPress is actually very simple to use. It's very powerful, gives you a lot of options. Now, one very important thing to note, and I want to scroll back up here to the top, as I mentioned, with these tabs along the top here, you're able to change these through WordPress. However, as you click on each one, it takes you to a new page. Some of those pages you'll be able to create in WordPress, and others will be done in Worldview. So how do we know which ones are which? Well, anything that takes a customer, or for that matter a distributor, to a section of the web page that has to do with shopping, that is going to be controlled by Worldview. So as we look at these tabs, right now we're on the home page. So this page is going to be controlled by WordPress. Now if we click on products, that just took us to a new web page where it talks a little bit about the products. Products can't be ordered from this page. It's just giving an overview of the company products. The same goes for opportunity. This is the opportunity page, just something that we created and put in here. So you're going to obviously change every single one of these. But again, this is just giving an overview of the opportunity. We also have a company overview page. So these are all controlled through WordPress. Now when anyone goes to join or to shop, that's going to take them to a product page. Now as a default, your website is set up so that a customer must be logged in order to place orders. And of course the same for a distributor. And this is to help to control so a customer is not just ordering product from the company and not from a distributor's website. so distributors don't have to be worried that they're competing against the company. Now if anyone clicks on Join Me, let's go there. This is taking us to a shopping page where we can choose the enrollment product that we wish to purchase to become a distributor of the company. You may only have one distributor kit or enrollment package, and that's fine. Here we have a sample of 3. Obviously you can have images put in here, and this has been set up just as a demo site, so we have this little orange bar across the top. There's also 2 other things you'll want to notice. First is the tabs along the top have changed. So it would now allow me to go to the skincare products or the nutritional products. So this is a shopping web page, and all shopping pages are controlled by worldview. The other way to know that I'm on a shopping page that's controlled by worldview is to look up at the URL. So up here at the top we see that we have my demo company name and then a /store. So anytime you're on a web page that has the /store, you know that you're on a page that is controlled by worldview. So any changes, any adjustments I want to do on this page, I would go to worldview to do that. Now the navigational menu along the very top did not change. That would allow me to get back to the home page or any of the other tabs that I want to navigate back to. But just for fun, let's go ahead and click on skincare. So here I'm on the skincare page. We just have one product in here as a demo, and you can see that we're still on /store. So again, this is a page that would be controlled by worldview. If you've already added product into worldview, then you may have already changed this page and it may be one of your product pages. Now let's go back to the home page. I'll click on that up here. Okay, you'll see that as soon as I did that, up here in the navigational bar, the /store went away. So I'm now back on a page that I can edit and modify through WordPress. So I hope that has helped to explain a little bit, give you a little bit of clarity on what you can adjust through worldview and what you can do through WordPress. So let's go back to the dashboard on WordPress, and we can get there by hovering over our company name and dropping down to dashboard. And as we take a look at the menu on the left hand side, you'll see that you can create posts. You have an option to upload media, whether it be videos or images that you're going to want to use on your web page. You also can create forms, pages, and we're going to walk through how to create a page, whether it's a company overview page or an About Us page. So I'll have a video specifically on that for you. There's a section for frequently asked questions, and many websites will have that. We'll be making quite a few adjustments under appearance. And you have all kinds of other tools here. You have several different sliders to pick from. Layer slider is the type of slider that was on the website that we were just looking at. So there's a lot of really cool, fun, powerful tools that you'll be able to use here. One of the great things about WordPress is that there's almost an unlimited number of websites and tutorial videos on YouTube and other places that you can go to find instruction on the different features available to you here. One of the recommendations we do make is that you stick with the Avada theme. Xennsoft has provided some add-ons and there's some plugins that are already available, and if you use a different theme there may be some issues with some of that. But within the Avada theme, you're able to brand it, you're able to change the configuration, the layout, the look of it, and completely make it your own. So I hope this overview has given you an insight into some of the possibilities that are available, and thanks for watching.